Hey, in this video, we're going to talk about how to reduce or simplify a fraction. So how do you do it? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to completely factor the numerator and the denominator. Then you're going to cancel any common factors between the two. So what about 24 over 18? How would you simplify or reduce that fraction? So we're going to factor each number completely. Let's start with 24. 24 you can write out as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And 18 you can write as 2 times 3 times 3. So let's rewrite this in that format. So instead of 24 over 18, we'll have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 over 2 times 3 times 3. Now we can cancel common factors. Well, what do they share? Well, each of them has 1 2 and 1 3. So we're going to cancel those out and leave the 2 times 2 on top and the 3 that wasn't canceled out in the bottom. Now 2 times 2 of course is 4, so this comes out to be 4/3. Let's try another one. What about 14 over 126? Well, even though the numbers are a little bit larger, we're still going to factor each one completely. 14 is going to be 2 times 7. 126 is 2 times 3 times 3 times 7. So I rewrite it in the factored format, and I'm going to be able to now cancel the common factors. Well, what numbers do the top and bottom share? Well, we can cancel a 2 and a 7 from both top and bottom. Now, that leaves me with what in the top? Because I canceled both the 2 and the 7. Is it a 0 because there's nothing left? No, don't be tempted. It's actually a 1 left over in the numerator. Because think about it. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 7 divided by 7 is 1. So when we're canceling, we're really doing division. So that's why we have a 1 left over in the top, and we have that 3 times 3 left over in the bottom. This gives me 1/9 as the final answer for the simplification here. Let's try one more problem. What about 825 over 150? Well, when I factor each number completely, it looks like this. 825 is 3 times 5 times 5 times 11. 150 is 2 times 3 times 5 times 5. Now, when I go to cancel these common factors, you can see that I have 3s I can cancel, 5s I can cancel, and another pair of 5s I can cancel. So notice here that I'm actually canceling extra things. I'm canceling 3 things on top and bottom. Now, all that's left over is 11 and 2, so my final answer in this case is 11 halves. And that's how you simplify or reduce fractions.